What's going on, guys? Got his garage here, and this week we are going to be disassembling the 2.3 out of the Merkur. My mission for today is to pull off all the accessories, the intake and the upper intake, so that way we can get down to the bare block, and then we can actually power wash this thing off and clean it up a little bit so it's not so gross. And basically we're going through today and just making a list of everything that we're going to be needing. So just right off the start, obviously we need some V-belts, we need the timing belt with the tensioner. I want to get a new thermostat housing and a thermostat because there is not a thermostat in there. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a new water pump because those are actually fairly cheap on Summit. I think they're like $26. So yeah, we're gonna put you on a time lapse right here, and then we're going to tear apart this engine so we get down to the block and the head and the valve cover and all that stuff. And then we can throw some degreaser on there, power wash it off so everything is all good to go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so we're gonna call it on that for this part of the video. I have a updated parts list of things that I want to get. Let me know again in the comments below if you guys think I should do the rod bearings and pull the pistons out and just re-hone everything. Everything's all cross-stitched still, you know, looks great. The last clip I just put on, I showed you guys a pretty detailed video of that, but I guess let me know. I'm gonna do like a rear main seal and then the front main as well, because I didn't replace those last time and they look pretty bad. So yeah, this is the first episode of the Let's Make the 2.3 Great Again video. You like that? Donald Trump. Anyways, we're gonna be painting it. We're gonna be putting everything on there. Plus, we're gonna be upgrading this engine and making it better than what it was before, because we're gonna get rid of this thing and go with something a little bit larger and better. And methanol. Just kidding. I don't even know how methanol works. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep following this series, because we're doing everything right. Lots of aftermarket parts coming. And hit that thumbs up button to get the algorithm pumping and to get this video out there more for more and more Merkur fanboys. And thanks for watching. Stay different, and I'll see you guys later.